Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz S560 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 bi-turbo pushing out 463 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior. 19-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels. A porcelain black exclusive Napa leather interior with a Designo black piano lacquer with lines, trim, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package with heated and cooled seats in the front and rear, ambient lighting, rear spoiler, S560 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, Distronic Plus with steering assist, Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, black piano and leather steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, heads up display, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, Designo badging, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, hard keys for media display, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This S-Class has 6,966 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S560 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.